What up, Winbush here, and it's never been easier to bring your creation from World Creator over to Unreal Engine 5. Let me show you how to get it set up. So once you have your scene built out in World Creator, you're then going to want to go to the website to download the Bridge plugin. And once you're here, you're going to want to sign in, and that's going to bring you to this page right here. So you'll see right here, it's going to say download Bridge. So we'll left click on this, and then you can see there's a whole plethora of different programs, but we're going to be using Unreal Engine. So I'm going to be using 5.6. So we just want to download this one. And that should be a quick download, but while that's downloading, let's open up Unreal Engine 5.6 so I can show you how to get it set up. And with the Unreal Engine project browser open, you can use any template you want, but I like using the motion design one. So I'm going to start by creating a blank template here, and then I'm just going to come down here and click create. And once you have your project file open up, we're going to immediately close it because we have to bring the plugin into this project file to be able to activate it. So right now I have two Windows Explorer windows opened up. The top one will be for the downloaded file that we just downloaded, and the bottom one is for our project file. So up here, I'm going to double click on the folder that we just unzipped, and you're going to see we have two different items here. We have a document PDF, and then we have this right here, which has our plugin within it. So down here, this is my Unreal Engine project. As you can see, we have the project right here, but I'm going to come over here to new. I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to name this one plugins. And once you have your plugins folder in here, I'm going to double click on this, and then I'm going to take this folder right here, the whole entire folder. I'm going to hold down Control, left click, and I'm just going to drag this over, and that's going to make a copy of our plugin and bring it into our plugins folder. So now I could go back here inside of my projects folder, and I'm just going to double click on this to open Unreal Engine back up. So now with Unreal Engine open, you might notice up here at the top, we now have the World Creator logo, which if we click on this is going to open up World Creator Bridge. So let's go back to World Creator, and we're going to bring this entire terrain over to Unreal Engine. We're going to have the materials and everything come over. So if you notice right here, my resolution pixels are 4096 by 4096, which that's important for when we bring that over. So up here at the top, you'll see that we have this button right here called sync. I'm going to left click on this, and down here in the bottom right, you're going to see that we have this loading bar down here. So we're just going to wait for this to load out before we go back into Unreal Engine. So once it's done, now let's go over to Unreal. Now with our World Creator Bridge opened up, we have a few things that we're going to change. Actually, just the one right here where it says terrain size. By default, it's going to say 4033, but what I wanted to say is 4096. Because that's our resolution. Then everything else, I'm just going to leave at default. And then down here at the bottom, we have this button called synchronize. I'm going to left click on this, and this might take a few moments, but we're going to wait for everything to sync over from World Creator. And if everything went right, it should show up inside your viewport. And I can already see something happening in the background of my viewport. So I'm going to close out this right here. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to delete the plane. And we can see that we have our terrain inside of Unreal Engine. But if I come over here, and let me actually click on this terrain, you might notice that the axis is over here on the left-hand side. I like having it directly in the middle because I like zeroing out my points. So in able to do that, I'm going to come up here to the top left where it says selection mode, left click on this, and then I'm going to come down to where it says modeling. Now with this opened up, I'm going to come right here to where it says X-form on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to click on transform. Now down here, we're going to have this transform box open up. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to type in 0, and I'm going to hit enter. And this might take a moment for it to execute. And you'll see a shift happening within our landscape here. And so I'm just going to come right here to the middle one for the Y. I'm going to hit 0 again. And now everything should be in direct center. So when you're happy with it, you're going to come down here where it says transform, hit complete. And then I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to come back to selection mode. And now everything is zeroed out. Now this will work with the latest version. I was using World Creator 2024 for this, but with the latest version that's coming out 2025, it will also work with the same exact steps. And then if you're interested in my next video I'm going to be doing, I'm going to show you how we can manually bring everything over. If you didn't want to use the plugin for whatever reason, I'm going to show you how we could do the height map, the color map, the normals, and everything just manually put together. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment if you're in a World Creator because I'm going to be covering it a lot more again. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in that next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.